Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Madre Tierra Gold's channel, the new business model in gold. And joining us, as always, we have Chief Executive Officer here, Sasha. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you for having me once again, Kyle. Great to be here as always.
Always a pleasure, man. So you guys have been releasing some news here. We're going to talk a little bit about your go public strategy. But first and foremost, Madre secures 120 kilograms of gold from its artisanal miners in Colombia. Do you want to expand on what's going on here?
Happily. So we put out a press release last week that we have secured up to 120 kilograms of gold that we can purchase per year from our artisanal mining partners, fully licensed, legally operating in Colombia. And that basically is the first step in what we continue to speak about, that we have a different approach to the typical gold company and typical exploration company. That allows us to purchase at a discount to spot, export it to international markets, and capture that spread of 20-25%. So that is the first step that we've taken, and we'll have some news on the horizon shortly hereafter about actually making those exports happen. So excited about that.
Yeah, and if anybody's interested, we did a full breakdown on some of your business model here in our prior videos, so those might be worth checking out. But I really want to talk about your kind of go public phase here. You're raising capital at what, 50 cents per unit with one common share and 1/2 warrant that's exercisable at a price of 75 cents. Can you kind of offer insight into a little bit of what you guys are doing here, the money you're trying to raise, and when we can kind of expect the IPO date?
Sounds great. So as you said, we're raising at 50 cents per unit. That is at a $35 million pre-money. We currently have 70 million shares outstanding. And if we raise the full amount of up to 50 million, including the warrant, or about 35 million just in cash, without the warrant, we'll have the new investors will have about 53% of the company ownership, and the existing investors will have 47%. And in terms of timing, we're expecting to list on an exchange in North America by Q4 of this year. And in terms of the capital that we're raising, it's going towards two things. One, scaling and expanding our trading business, because that is immediate cash flow generating activity that goes straight to the bottom line, as well as developing our property in Colombia, in Bolivar State. So those are the two main focuses. But in addition to that, that allows us to have the war chest to go out and explore new properties and explore new markets as well, in terms of exporting and sourcing gold internationally.
So if investors want to get involved, they want to kind of invest in a IPO round here, how should they go about doing it?
You can invest directly through our site, madretierragold.com.
So on that note, what I'm going to do is we're going to leave all the links in the description below, and I want to pass the question off to the viewers at this point. We'd love to know what you guys think about all of us in that comment section below. Consider subscribing, because as news comes down the wire, of course, we'll continue to update you here. But on that note, stay cool, stay awesome, and as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.